stupid sumbitch. You ain't considered bastard. You no driving prick. If I had a gun, I'd shoot you, then I'd piss on your grave. Get in the right lane, get the fuck out of the way.
I just want you guys to know that I know. 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 I know.
I added the copper golem to Minecraft. This buildable buddy loves to press copper buttons. It will press nearby buttons at random. Just like copper blocks, it has 4 oxidation states. It moves slow with each stage until it becomes an oxidized statue. Again, like copper blocks, you can scrape off the layers of oxidation with an axe. During thunderstorms, copper golems will huddle around lightning rods, as getting struck will fully clear any oxidation.
Babe, would you cheat on me for $1 billion?
Oh, that's hot.
Are you okay?
Yeah.
Would you cheat on me for $1 billion?
Why do you always come? Yes, babe.
Yeah.
The
Yes.
answer is gonna be yes every single time. $1 billion? I don't even need $1 billion. It could be $100,000.
Huh? Excuse me. That's rude.
It's for us. You and I
That's
both would be $100,000 richer. You should be thanking me.
Thanking you for cheating on me?
I mean, it is what it is. It's a vacation. That's a house.
What?
It's a car. Okay? Babe, you've been cheated on by somebody else for free before.
Oh my god, babe!
You hear me, you bastard? I'll cut off your nutsack and nail it to my door! Like one of those lion door knockers rich folks got! That will be your balls!
Out of my way! Out of my way! Can't you see he's gonna kick my butt?
You got all that cash, and you ain't gonna give me none.
You're so excited? Oh no!
Okay, y'all going a little bit too far with this video. My father was going to react to this, but he's not pretty happy about this, so I'm going to react to that. Father, calm down. Calm down. You getting your blood pressure up.
They made fun of that poor girl.
Father, we're not going to do that. We're not going to do that.
They made me that mad.
Father, we're not going to do that.
I don't care no more. I don't care. I know I said I was not going to do no second flood, but I'm real doing.
I know they just...
No, I'm up in all the seals now. I'm up in all the seals now.
What you doing?
They all going to get it. They really all going to get it.
Y'all better
give
run.
Me the keys.
Seriously, run.
Listen to my mom after she got her receipt back.
Hi, so if you want to take your way to the fuck are you doing? You can't have sex with her. Why not, Luigi? Because she's 14. Yeah, what's it to you? Age is only a number, Luigi. Yeah, you know what else the number? What? 9-1 fucking...
Daddy was home when you left. You're right. Your sister was home when you left. You're right. Your brother was home when you left. You're right. The dog was home when you left. You're right. The cat was home when you left. You're right. The fish was home when you left. You're right. Your mommy, your daddy, your brother, your sister, the dog, the cat, the fish was home when you left. You're right. And that's the reason you left. You're right. I left my home. I left my home. Join the army. Join the army. I left my home. I left my home. Join the army.
Things that people say that doesn't make any sense. Hey, how you doing today? I don't know, my legs kind of hurt today, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, you ain't got nothing to worry about, you're young. Yeah. Oh yeah, pain doesn't affect me at all. Yeah, you're right, it doesn't.
This is my impression of if Squidward Tentacles died.
Mr. Squidward, what are you doing in the middle of the road, boy? Oh no, Mr. Squidward can't hear me. He's listening to Kanye West's new album, Dunda. Mr. Squidward, you're gonna fucking die! No, Mr.
2 days later.
Here lies Mr. Squidweed. This is so sad.
Mr. Squidward.
I hope SpongeBob's not too sad.
Baby, I need you in my life. In my life. Please, babe, don't go switch inside.
I'm gonna find out who is driving that truck, and then I'm gonna make them pay.
You're looking at him right here, Krabs.
Holy shit, Patrick! You killed Mr. Squidward!
Oh yeah, that guy had it coming for him.
What the fuck are you talking about, Patrick?
Squidward ate my chocolate bar, and so he paid with his life.
You killed Mr. Squidward over some chocolate?
Oh yeah.
I'll rip your head off, fat ass.